Well, I've been wanting to do a catch and cook on drum, so today might be my lucky day. I ain't never tried drum before, but first time for everything, right? It's kind of got a firm texture, almost kind of like a bass. It's not as firm as gar. It doesn't taste fishy at all. I mean, obviously it tastes like the seasoning I put on it. I don't see why anybody wouldn't eat this. I mean, it's good. Blackened drum is good. As long as you're not weird about texture. I said it's not like super tough. It's not like chicken, but as far as, you know, fish goes, it's a little tougher than catfish, but man, it's good. I might have overcooked it a little bit. And, you know, that could be one reason why it's a little tougher. I don't know, but I mean, it's not bothering me at all. I like it. Oh yeah. Can't beat this. Look at this view I got. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. If you ever get the chance, give drum a try. I'm gonna try to do some more videos on catching, cooking, cleaning these trash fish everybody wants to talk so much crap about, won't give any respect to. If it's anything like drum, I'm really looking forward to it. Thanks for watching, homies. I'll see you on the next video.